Hello everyone and welcome to my channel English with Mavindra Samli. My name is Mavindra Samli. From today I will be sharing simple and practical English lesson to help Nepali speakers learn and improve their English skills. Together we will learn useful words, sentences, conversations and everyday expression that can help you speak English with more confidence. If you are interested in learning English in an easy and friendly way, please subscribe to this channel and join me on this learning journey. Thank you for watching. Let's start learning English together. Thank you.